Hello, lovely people. Hope you're doing great and welcome back from Voices from Sea. And I'm really excited to introduce another video based on ocean data view. And already we have made two videos based on ocean data view, how we gonna have access this data and how we gonna download this data and how we gonna input this data into the software. So if you miss anything and if you don't understand this tutorial, please check my last videos, and I hope you can understand everything if you check my last videos. So let's in this video we're gonna cover basically basic analysis of any certain area or certain station, and even visualization of data. Yes, it's gonna be very fun. So let's get started. So this is the first of all, you have to open this Ocean Data View software, and after opening it, click on File and then open Follow Meters. And this is the last file we have saved. Yes, this is our study area. Just we have collected data and we have input this data in this software in our last video. So now we're gonna have data visualization. So click on View and Layout Templates and click on One Station window. Now you see a window with empty. There's no data visualization, but we're gonna have it on this window. So if you want to observe default station visualization, I mean without choice, just you want to observe the default selected station data and click on Enter. So now you see any selected options. I mean, a certain point. For a certain point, we're gonna visualize this graph. And this graph here is the depth. The y-axis represents the depth, and x-axis represents the temperature. So now we're gonna discuss about panel. Here's a three section of panel. The top panel represents the metadata. You see the cruise number, station number, even longitude, latitude, date, time, depth ranges, and so on. And the second section of panel represent the sample. So here's how many stations you can select. 17 is a lot of things. I think it's huge, yeah. So we have selected one station, and based on one station, you see the depth 0 meter. For 0 meter, your temperature will be between 7.72 degree and salinity will be 31.98. So now you have to see the another station. You see another station, look. But this is not permanent. If you click on anywhere on the window, it disappeared. But this is not temporal. This is not permanent. But if you want to see the permanent, the right. I mean, you have to click double on any area of your study or location. Okay. So now it doesn't remove, or it doesn't go to disappear, because now we have two stations, but two stations are permanent. Even if you want to see another station permanently, so click on double. Yes. So double click make permanent station, even permanent visualization. Now we're gonna remove any certain area or certain station. You don't need to visualize every station. So you want to remove a particular station. So press any particular station. For example, I press on it and click on backspace from the keyboard. This is removed. For example, this one. click on backspace, it's removed. Okay. So now if you realize that uh, your window is not in a full range, so you can click on right, and then you set the full range. So you see the full range, your data will be in full range, and it will be more visualized and more, I mean, more understandable. Actually, I want to remove another station. Mhm. Okay. Now I realize that it's not enough in this data is not in a full range. So click on right and then set the full range. So now you see how nice it is, right? Now we're gonna discuss about set ranges. Here is the x-axis temperature, minimum temperature 10 and maximum temperature 30. And y-axis to represent depth, so minimum 0, maximum 275. So if you want to select 300 and minimum temperature, you can select 515. So click on OK. So now we see the data based on our selected ranges, x-axis and y-axis. So now I want to see in a full range. Yeah, that's all about for today's tutorial. Yes, and if you have any questions based on this tutorial, even previous videos, just let me know in the comment and I'll try to solve it and I'll try to make another video based on your requirement and any query. So thank you so much for having me and have a great day. Have a great day. Yes.